Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome one more time. Okay, so today's class we're gonna learn. I'm gonna show you the screen this moment. Okay. All right. Today's class we're gonna practice and complete a conversation related to professions. That's what we're gonna do today. So if you remember, we were practicing, okay, the pronunciation of different professions and jobs, okay? Accountant, architect, astronomer, author, baker, butcher, carpenter, dentist, doctor, farmer, firefighter, judge, mechanic, nurse, pilot, plumber, police officer, psychiatrist, surgeon, and also teacher. So that's what we did, okay, previously, okay, and also send you a video, okay, that you should watch again. Then, okay, what we did was telling, okay, the professions, okay, one more time. Also, we were practicing the pronunciation of the verbs and also telling the complete definitions. So that's what we did, okay, previously. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna practice conversation related to professions. But for that, first, okay, we need to understand some vocabulary. For example, here, on the left, we have new expressions, okay, for you to learn. And on the right, we have the meaning in Spanish. So the first word is why. In Spanish is this, okay? The other one is, where are you heading to? Okay, which is the same as saying, where are you going? Where are you heading to and where are you going tienen el mismo significado. ¿Para dónde vas? What is the difference? The difference is, okay, where are you going is more formal than where are you heading to. Okay, so keep that in mind. So where are you going is more formal than where are you heading to. And means the same, significa lo mismo. Then we have the answer, what are you heading to? I'm heading to, okay, and I'm going to. I'm headed to, I'm going to means the same, voy para, okay? Voy para. So these are the answers of these two questions right here. Next one, how do you get to your work? So the meaning in Spanish is this. How do you get to your work? And there are different possibilities, okay? How you get to your work. Can be by bus, can be by car, can be by taxi, can be by Uber, can be by train, can be on foot. Okay, so these are the possibilities. These ones right here are the possibilities how you get to your work. Okay, so I don't know how you get to your work. So you're gonna tell me in the conversation. So let's continue. So next word is, okay, groceries. Groceries means in Spanish this. So the different, okay, basic things that you buy to eat during a week or in a month. Depends on your budget. Next one is trucker, okay? Is this one in Spanish, okay? When you drive big trucks, okay? Housewife is this in Spanish. Basically, most of our mothers stay home, okay? They do different things in the house around, okay? So this is, okay, what we call them, okay? Housewife, like this. And also this other profession, liar, okay? In Spanish is this one, okay? A person that does different legal things. Okay, let's continue. So here's another thing that I'd like to explain to you. This is basically grammar. So the explanation goes like this. This is, okay, auxiliary. This word, would, is an auxiliary. Es un auxiliar de un verbo. It's an auxiliary of a verb. Along, okay, el would, okay, or would, the auxiliary would, el solito, el solo, okay, doesn't mean anything. No significa nada, okay, doesn't mean anything. But with the verb, pero con un verbo, it has conjugation. tiene conjugación. Okay, and extermination in Spanish would be ia. In Spanish, it's gonna be like this. In Spanish, it's gonna be like this. All right, I will go. In Spanish, okay, I would fly. In Spanish, I would drink. I would like. I would cook. I would write. I would draw. Okay, I would cook, cocinaría. I would write, escribiría. Okay, I would draw, dibujaría. Okay, like that. So that's the termination. That's the termination in Spanish, and you need to understand that. So would is an auxiliary of a verb. What verb? Can be any verb. Puede ser cualquier verbo. In this case, I gave you this set right here. Go, fly, drink, like, cook, right? And also draw. So this is the explanation for you to understand how to use would and what is the conjugation of this game right here, would with another verb. In Spanish, okay, the translation would be like this. Ia at the end. Ia, volaría, bebería, gustaría. Okay, that's the termination in Spanish. All right, here we go. Very easy, very simple, okay? So why I'm explaining this to you about would and also these expressions is because of this conversation. So this conversation is basically related to professions. So at the beginning right here, okay, I'm gonna put here, okay, it starts with the hi, how's it going, okay? And then it's talking about, or you need to give information about likes and don't likes. You already know this vocabulary about likes and don't likes. So you need to fill out with information right here in these spaces. And then you continue, okay, until you get to here, all right? I work in, remember that when you mention where you work, okay, you mention the place where you work. And then you continue, who do you work for? So who do you work for is you write the name of the company, okay? One example can be, I work in a school and I work for INSAFORP and English classes in El Salvador, okay, like that. So you continue, okay, you already know how to answer this question. What's your dream job? You have that information, and then you need to continue explaining about your dream job and also why you want that dream job, okay, which is here. So after that, the most important thing is this. You continue with more information where it says, oh, after you mentioned your dream job, the person says, oh, that's great. Yeah, but I would like to be, and then you fill out the information, any, okay, profession that you would like to have, okay, in the future. And then you continue, why? Do you remember why? Okay, why? This one, porque. Let's continue. How do you get to your work? Do you remember how do you get to your work? In that answer, I put right here all the different options: by bus, by car, by taxi, by Uber, by train, and also on foot. So remember here, you need to select, okay, I'm going to correct that thing, okay? Letter C is, okay, missing right there, all right? Letter C is missing right there. I select, okay? There is some misspelling right there. So you select a method of transportation. Well, I'm going to correct it right now. Just give me a second. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. Select method of transportation. Select a method of transportation. Okay, it's corrected. Just let me share my screen with you one more time. Okay, here we go. All right, so we were right here. Let me just put it bigger. Okay, right here, select a method of transportation. From all these options right here, you just select a method of transportation. It can be two method of transportation that you get to your work. Okay, so then we continue about what do your family members do? ¿A qué se dedican tus miembros de tu familia? Okay, ¿qué profesiones tienen? And then we continue with information about, well, my father is, and then if you see there are different spaces that you need to complete. And at the end, okay, it says, I'm going to the supermarket to buy some groceries for the week. So it was nice talking to you. Goodbye. And at the end, the other person says, have a good one. Have a good one means adios. Okay, so you can say goodbye or you can say have a good one. Que significa, which means goodbye, adios. So let's continue. So here we have an example, okay, for you. So here I already completed with information. So I just, okay, put some information for you to know how you're gonna do, okay, in the previous example. So here it says, remember, okay, so from here to here, you already know what to do, because if you have watched my videos, okay, before, you can see all the vocabulary, and also you can start typing and completing with information. So from here, okay, down is new information for you, new English, new everything, new speaking for you to continue growing the language. So it says, when the person is telling about the dream job, the other person says, oh, that's great. Yeah, but I would like to be a pilot. Why? Well, because you can fly helicopters, planes, and airplanes. Besides, you travel to other countries. And how do you get to your work? Oh, by bus or on foot. What do your family members do? Well, my father is a trucker, my mother is a housewife, and my brother is a lawyer, and my sister is a psychologist. And you, where are you heading to? I'm going to the supermarket to buy some groceries for the week. So it was nice talking to you. Goodbye. Have a good one. Okay, like that. So guys, so basically this is the way that we put in practice a conversation related to professions. So what is your homework? Is this. You need to complete all this conversation. Of course, you need to type it and complete it. So you can watch, okay, the videos that are being uploading. So you can find the vocabulary right there. I guess I haven't, okay, uploaded the one that it says about duties. I'm sorry, dream job, but I want to do it for you to know what to do, what to write. So then you can speak, all right? And you can tell. So guys, basically, okay, this is the way that we create a conversation. This is the way that we can conversate, okay, with somebody. So having a conversation like this in the basic level, very easy, very simple, okay? So learn English with me, okay? So watch the video as many times as you can so you can learn more English for you to speak, okay? Guys, goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.